whether you will perform your job with the lesser stress, with the better quality, and your financial position will improve. Is that correct or not?
No, your mind will be stress-free, but at the same time, once that is increased, a lot of politics will come into play.
No politics. You are just taking pledge of the Acha Bharat, Great Bharat. Where is the politics here?
No, once the number increases in at a level...
So number of what? They are your own people. You are adding your own people. It is not a unknown people. You are not supposed to add unknown people. You are adding your own people known to you.
Yeah, that will be the 10 people.
But which politics? Here there is no politics, because here there are already models which will be giving you the transformed Bharat. Okay. So it is a transformed great Bharat without any politics. Rather, all politicians, they will be defeated. Though they will be spending crores of rupees and would be purchasing votes, at that same time, after spending so much money, they will all got defeated.
Once that interaction reaches some point of debate and ideologies, then people will start differing.
You are talking of only one ideology. That is great
even
India.
Even within the family, people will differ on points.
People will not be in position to digress or do anything meaningless, because we will be changing the business rule of the Vidhan Sabha, that is state legislative assembly or parliament. So they even cannot discuss anything in parliament or state assembly unless it is debated through or refined through the 5 channels. So even with the Mr. Soundeajan, after becoming number 1 in the country, even after taking oath of the Prime Minister, Soundeajan, who is the Prime Minister of the country, I challenge he would not be in position to do any bad thing. Because whatever is to be brought into the parliament or Vidhan Sabha, that will be refined through the 5 stages. And because of the refinement process, you can't play politics. So it will be changing the whole game.
It's a long process, but I think